Exercise 8.2, that is based on the trigonometric table. That is first question we have, first question, that is question number first का sub question. First we have sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. Okay, this we have to identify. So I will substitute the values of sin 60 from the table. When you see the table, the values is written. Okay, so sin 60 will give you root 3 upon 2. Okay, and cos 30 will also root 3 upon 2. Okay, when you check the table, this is written. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is also 1 by 2. This value I am writing from the table what we have drawn in the previous video. So now we can multiply root 3 into root 3, which will give you 3 upon 4 plus this is 1 upon 4. So this will become 4 upon 4, which will give you answer 1. Okay, this is very easy. Only we require a table. Try to remember the values. Okay, then it will become very easy. Sin 60. Okay, now we have to identify the values of this. So this is 2, tan 45 is 1 from the table, cos 30 that is root 3 by 2, then square, because here it is square is written, minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 square. Okay, now this is 2, 1 square is 1, plus root 3 square is 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So this will get cancelled, you will get answer 2. Okay, this is the values of the second sum. Similarly, you can solve the remaining sums, that only we have to substitute. So I am taking the example of, that is third part, that is in the fraction it is given cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. Okay, so you can substitute the value. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 upon sec 30. Sec 30 is 2 upon root 3 plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 is 2. Okay, this is 2. Okay, now we have to find the values of this. So you can cross multiply these two terms and you will get the values. Okay, so this will give you 1 upon root 2 upon cross multiply 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3 is equal to, this 3 will go up and this 2 will come down, this will come down and this will go up. So that is root 3 upon root 2 bracket 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, now fourth and fifth you can solve, which is similar, same sum. Okay, now in the previous one that you can rationalize also. If you're not rationalizing, then also it is okay. Now we have multiple choice questions, so multiple choice question that you can solve. Okay, now question number 3. Okay, 3 we have to simplify, that is we have given tan a minus b. Question number 3, tan a minus b is equal to root 3, and sorry, this is tan a plus b, and tan a minus b is 1 upon root 3. Okay, we have to find the angle of a and b. So from the table you can write, for what value of tan, this is root 3. So you will write tan a plus b is equal to, when you see the 10 ka table, in that table you will get 1060 is root 3, so root 3 value will be 1060. Okay, now this 10 and 10 will get cancelled. You will get a plus b, which is equal to 60, equation 1. Similarly, for this you will identify 10 a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. So from the trigonometric table we have to search for which value of 10 is root 1 upon root 3. So when you take the table, from that table it is written as 1030 degree. Okay, now this will get cancelled. A minus b is 30, equation 2. Okay, now we'll solve the equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. You will get the values of a and b. So a plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b is equal to 30. This is equation 1, equation 2. Now we can add this one, so this will get cancelled. 2a is equal to 90, so a is equal to 45 degree. Now you can substitute a in any one of the equation. So you will write, put a is equal to 45 degree in equation 1. So a plus b is equal to 60, so 45 plus b is equal to 60, so b is equal to 60 minus 45, so b is equal to 15 degree. Okay, so this is the values of the trigonometric function. Okay, try to solve the remaining sums. Okay.